Hey guys, watch and find out how you can instantly upscale your dresses and wear Gucci without spending thousands of dollars.
The mic and make sure it sound right, boy.
Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel, Lifestyle Grub, where we talk about everything that has to do with life and vogue and being a balanced woman. Hey you guys, I have some good news. Yes, you can wear Gucci without spending thousands and thousands of dollars, and you can instantly upscale your old dresses or just some plain simple sweater dresses that you have. So check out my idea. All you need to do is purchase some PVC or these iron-on leather type patches, and as you can see, I found some Gucci patches. It says the word Gucci and also has the symbol, the GG symbol. And I used 2 patches. I put one right in the center of the dress at the top neckline, and I put one patch on the sleeve, on the cuff part of the sleeve. So in order to do this, you need an iron, and you need to iron your patches on highest setting. You'll need a cotton cloth. You gotta cover the patch with a cotton cloth, and you'll iron on the highest setting for roughly a minute. It might take a little bit longer. You do need to check to see that they're sticking before you peel away the plastic. And when you're peeling the plastic, make sure you're doing so very carefully because it can pull the lettering off as it goes. But don't worry, even if you've removed the plastic and it's not sticking properly, you can go over it again with the iron. I also went over the patches one more time when I removed the plastic as well. So check out how I styled this dress. For option 1, I went with my Jadon Doc Marten boots in black. They're platform and they are tall boots. And I have my GG tights. They are kind of like this net fabric, and it just makes the whole look very, very interesting. And my handbag, I have my Gucci Ophidia bag. And in option 2, I went with my Gucci Soho bag, and instead of my black Jadon boots, I have my Doc Marten Aunt Sally Sinclair platform boots in white. Very cute. See how you can instantly change the whole look just by changing the color of the shoes and the type of handbag. And the third option, guys, I added a shacket. These are really in this season and they keep you oh so warm, and they're so comfortable to wear. Well, you guys, this was so much fun. Just an instant, easy way to upscale your dress. Now I have gone from a plain, simple green sweater dress to a Gucci dress. This Gucci dress in real life probably would cost you thousands, you know, anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000. And in this case, it costed you about $45. So I've linked below where you can purchase these patches, and also where I found this exact sweater dress. You can purchase this one on Amazon. It's roughly $25 to $30. The patches will cost you about $15 to $20 depending how many you're buying, but they're only about $1 or so each. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you love this video. Leave some comments below and let me know some other videos, some fashion ideas that you'd like to see. Who said beauty is in the eye of the beholder? Beauty is how you see yourself.